Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a logo using Canva AI. And trust me, this is perfect if you're a beginner or want a professional logo fast and free. The first thing you want to do is type into your search bar Canva AI. You're going to want to click the first one that says Canva AI, your all-in-one AI assistant. Click that and it will take you to this page and you'll press Try Canva AI. When you click that, it will take you to Canva AI, and in this search bar, you want to say make a logo for your brand. Today, I'm gonna use a skincare brand as an example. So I'm going to say make a logo for a modern minimalist skincare brand. Send that through and it should give us a couple of options. So after it's given you the options, you can obviously change the text to your brand name, adjust the colors to your brand colors, or swap icons or fonts if you want to. So now we can see I like this one, so we're gonna go for this one. And if you don't like this either, you can tell AI to change the colors or the fonts, or you can go use Canva editor and it will just take you to regular Canva and you can change the colors from here. So say our brand colors are so you can change the colors or the fonts of this, and you can change it to whatever you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.